Hi viewers, how are you? How are you? Welcome to my cooking channel. Today we are going to see how to prepare an egg gravy. Before start to see the video, kindly subscribe my channel. So down below the link, subscribe button is there. So click the bell button. Okay, let's see our ingredients. So before starting preparation, I forgot to tell you viewers. So we want to put 2 spoons of oil, and then it want to be boiled for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. It's enough. After that, you need to put some ingredient for initial thing. So let's see the ingredient: mustard seeds, cloves, cumin, cinnamon, anise seeds, black cumin seeds, cardamom. So everything we need to put for a gravy, which I explained the ingredients already. We will put for all the dishes in Indian style. So it will be good for health, and then the fragrance will be more good. Now the container is ready for put the another ingredient. So we have taken 3 to 4 ingredients for to prepare an egg gravy. Let's see about this: onion, curry leaf, chili padi, and then garlic. First, we want to put curry leaf, so it will be more fragrance, and curry leaf got many health benefits. So mostly in Indian style, we will put curry leaf, followed by we will put chili padi, so followed by garlic. We want to make a gentle fry on that, so that this dish will be get prepared, and then you can able to feel the fragrance while cooking. Next, we will put a onion. So we already cut an onion for 3 pieces, totally for prepare an egg gravy. Yes, now almost we have completed our dish for 25%. Now we want to mix gently with all the ingredient which we used for a gravy. So it wants to boil for another 10 minutes. Before that, we will put turmeric. Turmeric, it's again a good for health. It will protect many diseases precautionally. So after that, we have put little bit of water in that ingredient, so it will boil properly. So every smell like turmeric smell, everything want to go out. So during the frying itself. Later, once onion, garlic, chili is cooked properly, next we want to put ginger garlic paste. So for an traditional egg gravy or any gravy, then you want to put definitely ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste, which I bought instantly from grocery shop. After adding ginger garlic paste, you want to wait for another 5 minutes to cook properly. Now we finish 40% of our cooking. So after that, everything is mixed. Now we want to put tomatoes. Tomato, we want to put 2 tomatoes. Early itself, I have cutted the tomato and stored it in the cup. The tomatoes, want to mix it with all the ingredients. After that, we want to pour some water to boil the tomatoes and everything. We need to get a solid kind of paste, then only it will be very good for having. Now before pouring the water, we will put a chili powder for spiciness, extra spiciness. Even though we have put chili padi, so those who feel somewhat spicy more, want spicy more, then we want to add a chili powder. Followed by we want to add coriander leaf powder. So followed by, if you want a chicken flavor taste, then you want to add chicken masala. We want to see the electric cooker for every 3 minutes or 2 minutes once, because when the water get evaporated, that electric cooker got a black color one in down. So we want to mix it until the water get evaporates. We have completed 60% of gravy. So now we want to add coconut. So coconut generally it will be more rich in gravy, so you can feel better while you are having the gravy. So after adding coconut, we want to put enough of water, and then we need to check whether the salt is correct, and then chili powder is correct, and chili spicy is correct, everything. After that, we are going to put an egg. That egg is called as kampung egg, or we will call like village egg. So in Tamil Nadu, India, we will call it natukoli. Like that, it will the name will be vary in every country. Yeah, might be in every state. I don't know about that. So after pouring the water, after we have checked everything, it's correct. Now it's a time to put an egg. So egg also it's done. Now we want to wait for another 10 minutes. As per early said, we need to see the cooker for every 2 minutes or 3 minutes whether we have got enough of water. If we don't have enough of water, we want to strive fully. 95% is over now. Now it's time to put coriander. We are at final stage, so we are going to put coriander for fragrance. Okay viewers, we have completed the egg gravy. It's a final product. So you can have with the egg gravy with pulao, chapati, roti, naan, for everything, etc. etc. Okay viewers, have a good day. Let's see in next video. Until that, don't forget me and my channel. Take care.